JMRrebuilders.
Golf carts! Welcome back, jammers. This week, we got a lot of stuff we want to get done on the golf carts, so...
It's gonna be fun. I'm excited about it. We got Blackie, we have Big Blue, we're ready to go. Let's make our list. What do you got? What do you got up for Blackie for yours?
So, for Blackie, I want to do something with the rear leaf springs, so might as well put that on there, leaf springs.
Well, I've got that one too.
Yes, you do.
We found that our leaf springs are way too stiff.
Way too
In fact, you can stand on the back of our golf cart and jump and it barely moves.
Doesn't
so
move.
We're gonna try to remove a leaf spring on the back. Let me put that on my list.
So he's gonna remove a leaf, I'm gonna add a leaf.
There we go. Okay?
And then what else do I have on my roof?
Roof.
My roof has like a dip in it to where it may have been sitting outside in the rain and the weather and it just built up a lot of weight and it kind of dipped it. So we're gonna take a heat gun, some boards, and try to bring that back up.
Nice.
So,
cool.
Roof.
I've got some painting.
Yes. Yes.
So I think the plan is we're gonna maybe pull my dash apart.
Yep.
And do some black paint there. We have a couple of spots. We have the dash
Bumper
and then the bumper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, what else do I have on mine?
I don't know. You've been doing a lot of stuff off camera.
I have been doing a lot of stuff. I've done quite a bit of modification.
Yeah. I've been good, and I've actually waited to work on mine just so that you guys could watch it.
I have issues. The good news is a lot of the stuff I've done to mine, we're gonna do to his. So like we're gonna do the accelerator pedal has some slack in it, so we're gonna adjust that.
All right, so I can't expel
Throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't spell accelerator. Throttle. Pedal. Yep. And then we have a really cool addition we're gonna do. We're gonna do a speed magnet to the motor. He has a GE motor. He's got an AQ system. So we're gonna take the old magnet off and put a new magnet in. And what that does is it removes a restrictor, the speed restrictor. It's not really a speed magnet in the sense that it makes the car faster. It just removes the restriction. So we'll do that. What else is there?
Man, I don't know. I don't think there's anything else for now.
Yeah.
I mean, I have some other little things, like some sewing that needs to be done on the cover. One random thing is I drive down the cart path and I go too fast. The cover just randomly flies off the top.
It's gonna get worse now. We're gonna make your car faster.
It's not good.
So that's the best part.
Cool.
Is ultimately, after all this whatever stuff, the goal, if you can remember when we raced, is to make them faster. I've already modified mine. I've already done the speed magnet. Already adjusted the throttle. So I'm already hitting 23 plus miles an hour. Yeah. So our goal is to get Jason's up there.
Well, the plan is to do it with very little money.
I think
there's obviously things that we can do, like spend big dollars, but
I think we've got 25 bucks in it.
Yeah.
To bring up 5 miles an hour.
All right, cool. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna have a great time doing lots of stuff today, and so let's get to it.
You have my marker.
Oh man, this is gonna mess me all up. All right, here we go. We're getting started. What's up first, Ryan?
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bumper plate off right here. It's just 2 bolts, probably straight through, maybe even Phillips head or something. I don't know yet. We're gonna take that off. We're gonna prep it for paint, and then we'll get after it.
Put my bumper, dude.
Yeah, man. I got you, bro. Just trying to fix these little imperfections. Woo.
I appreciate all the forethought you're putting into sanding my bumper for me, Ryan.
Yeah, only the best. Only the best for JPP. So besides JRM, you know, just messing really with our announcements we got coming up here in the next few weeks, we could also change it from just messing really to junk made right. JMR, junk made right.
I think it's a great idea. Let's try to make our name as confusing as we possibly can.
That's the goal. Yeah, that's the goal, because no one ever Googles us or finds us on YouTube anyway. So over here standing in the way.
I mean, Anybody could be like, JMR, how'd you get jammer out of that?
Very carefully. Very carefully. You're gonna want that. Yep. So first of all, let's show you how loud this safety horn is. It's pretty loud, so our goal will be to take this and just quieten it.
There's a little hole in the bottom. I think we put a little piece of electrical tape.
Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, that noise kind of got me carried away. I was enjoying that a little too much.
Awesome. So we'll do that, and then you also mentioned the battery indicator light.
Right, which is this little cable right here. It's a female-male connector. So we're just gonna pull it off, and then we'll wrap a little bit of tape around this, just so that way, just in case it ever grounds out.
That's a good idea.
And then the light's done and the noisemaker's done.
Nice. So in the future, if we ever see like flames coming out of the front of the dash, we know that there's a problem.
It's Jason's fault. All right, there you go, folks.
Yeah. So it lines up. It's in there correctly.
It's in the right direction.
It's off.
And then all we got to do is tighten her up.
Cool. Here we go.
What do we do, Jason?
Time for some paint, right?
Looks pretty good taped up right there.
Looks good. You did a great job.
I would say you
did a great job right here. These here, all the details of that. You did.
Yeah, I'm not a detail guy. That's you, brother.
All right, here we go.
I'm bolt force.
Here we go. Here we go.
Yep, here we go.
Finished product on the painting. Looks pretty awesome. For use, looks pretty great. What are we working on now?
So we're gonna pull this wheel off, and then we're gonna have to pull this under flare cover off, and that's gonna give us access to the motor, which is gonna allow us to pull that magnet out.
Okay.
So
what's the magnet do again?
It's just a speed restrictor, basically. Yeah. The poles on it, as it connects to the poles, it picks up speed, it sends a signal, stop, slow down. So what this does is the poles are less, so it allows it to basically it doesn't restrict the speed of the golf cart down the hill or at top speed or anything. So. See that guy right there? That's your motor, right? That's your speed sensor, right? Underneath there, under that cap, is a magnet. We're gonna pull that off, but I don't have a flathead screwdriver.
I can get you one.
You wanna get me one? Alright, so we pull that off. Got some gunk in there. Yeah, it looks like an old gasket, but see that guy right there?
Yep.
That's what we want to take off.
How's that come out there? Is it like Allen wrench in or what?
No, it's pressed in. That's why I wanted that paint prior thing.
You mean the piece that you asked me to bring that I forgot at home?
Absolutely, yep.
Maybe at lunchtime.
Maybe. What's up, YouTube? Jammer Nation, you're probably wondering why I got this awesome helmet and my really cool glove. The magnet on the motor, it goes on a shaft and it's stuck in there pretty good. So what I'm making now is I'm actually fabricating a puller so that I can pull it off the shaft. So hopefully it works well, and we'll see. If it doesn't, we'll have to drop the motor and put it on a bench and pull it off, but we should be able to get it. So here we go. It's not really for parents, it's just for effect. What we have is we have a hook mechanism on the back side of the magnet, and then we have this part, the press, pushing into the center part of the shaft. So the hope is as this presses in, it'll pull the magnet off the shaft sleeve. That's the hope. So
It's the hope, the dream. We can do it.
we'll see. There it is.
I heard it pop.
There it is.
What?
There it is, folks.
Look at that. That's awesome. There it is, right around the end. Sweet.
Yeah.
Nice job, Ryan.
Thank you, guys.
You got some skills.
I wouldn't go that far.
Hashtag puller skills. Look at
Hashtag Hucklebucker skills. So what I do is I just get it on there. I take this hammer and I put it on there like that. And I just tap this, nice and soft. I know what everyone's thinking. Ryan with the hammer, soft. Those three words don't go together very well. And you just want to get it until it's flush. So, one more. More over here and we're done. So. That's it. Put this back on. O-ring. This. What's up, jammers? Welcome back. Gonna do a little recap. So,
A big recap.
we finished the throttle pedal, so that's done. So
Nice.
you can mark that off.
Man, we feel so good about that, right?
We fabricated our own puller
Yeah.
for the magnet,
That's amazing.
and we got it installed, so that's done.
Definitely be some pictures of that on Instagram.
Instagram. And then the hammer. Jammer hammer came out. Yeah. So the leaf springs have bolts that go through on either end. those leaf springs have a sleeve that they go through. That sleeve had been rusted to the bolt so that it literally got stuck in there. And I tried to bang one out, and I actually broke off from the weld one of these aluminum brackets from the cart frame.
Now, in Ryan's defense,
as you can see,
the welds don't look that great. Like they don't look like they really penetrated into the metal at all. Like you can see the straight line right there on each side.
Yeah.
So, not totally Ryan's fault. But it does mean that we're gonna have to come back and work on that.
And we're gonna have to get a TIG out here, guy with a TIG welder, because I don't have that, and get him to weld this on.
Yeah.
And we still haven't even finished the leaves yet, because the leaves aren't really cooperating.
No. So we're gonna do a little more research on the leaf springs and come back and work on that. So it's not a big deal.
No, we'll get it done. We just wanted to give you guys an update of our experience the last 8 hours.
Yeah. Another one of those days.
Yes.
We're looking forward to the days where we can come in and work for a few hours and
yes.
then go home.
Go
and
home.
hang out. So
yeah.
It'll happen.
Alright YouTube, we got the welder out here. He's gonna be fixing this piece up for us. Got the bellows area out. Right under there. You can see that spot right there is where he's going to be welding a new bracket up that I knocked off. So looking forward to seeing how it goes. What's up, Jammer Nation? I'm gonna be reserved. That's my 2020 New Year's resolution.
That's terrible.
What's up, Jammer Nation?
Hey, thanks for watching the video. We do appreciate it a ton.
Yes.
It was a lot of crazy stuff happening this week, right?
Yes, and to our two very devout YouTube fans, we're gonna be dropping a video. You're watching it.
Yeah, and they're gonna be dropping us.
Yeah.
So anyway, cool. We appreciate you subscribing, but we did pass a major mile marker this week.
100 subscribers.
It's awesome and amazing.
Couldn't have done it without you.
We have over 100 followers on Facebook too.
We need them Russian bots to start following us.
Hey, we also found this out. We need 1,000 subscribers in order to do a live stream.
So we got to get to 1,000 so that you can watch this.
Yes.
Live.
YouTube will not allow us to live stream to YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. So you guys can help us out with that. That'd be awesome. That's a great goal.
That would be huge.
That'll only take, let's see, what year is it? Oh, it might be a few from now.
Yeah.
So anyway, keep subscribing on YouTube. Keep on us on Facebook. That'd be great.
Yes, Insta.
Yeah.
And now we have a Twitter account. Check us out on the Twitter.
Since when do we have a Twitter account?
Oh yeah.
Did you sign us up for one?
Yes, I did.
I don't even know what we're doing. Things are happening. This is the first I've heard of this.
Hey, what can I say?
Who's on Twitter that needs to follow us?
Everybody.
Oh, okay.
Apparently the president's
All right,
following.
well, check us out on Twitter. It's going to be interesting. So we appreciate you guys a ton.
Yes.
We also have merch. Check out the hats. I was strictly told to not bend the bill of this hat. I like them very curved, and Ryan told me straight across. I feel a little bit like a poser, but that's
It's okay.
So, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
And we'll catch you next time. Jammer Nation!